Wow, gosh, it's hot. Today, what we're gonna work on is we're gonna work on putting interior in the Civic. This is pretty much everything right here that goes in the back of the Civic. But for the most part, here's all your plastic pieces, your big pieces that go in the back. I went ahead and threw some on last night just because I couldn't help it and I had to. But if you look right here, you got all the plastic that goes around the hatch. We've got all the plastic goes in here. I have the seats. The only problem I'm gonna have is this part over here. They cut this off for some reason. We're going to clean the pieces that we got and we're gonna throw them in the car. So let's get to cleaning pieces. I think it needs to go in, out, and back. Oh, oops. You doing what? Are you dirtying up my place that is clean? God dang it. Whoa! It's crazy to see a headliner in it though. After it's sitting here for a while without one.
Yep.
Good job on those handles.
Thank you.
There you go. Well, we are good. So, all right. Well, we're gonna finish this up tomorrow. We'll see y'all then. All right, so we're gonna pick up where we left off from yesterday and finish up putting this interior in. As you can see, we've got their side panels to go over here too, and we got our seats to put in. I don't have any of the stuff that goes in the floor in the back. I was not able to get any of that. I'll get to that at some point in time, but I'm not really too worried about it right now. Let's get started.
When you come out to the garage and you have no idea what's going on here. So propping up the door, look what are we doing?
Alright, so on the seats, we have to, like, you got to basically put one side in here, and then you got to bolt in the bracket, and then you slide the other side in or something. I don't know, it's kind of weird.
Is this you guessing or looking up a video?
This is guessing. I don't look up videos for a lot of stuff, I just do it.
We'll see what happens.
It's pretty cool to get to working so hot.
Yeah, she hot for sure. Summer in Texas.
test out the seat belts. Oh.
Take out glass with it.
Yeah, really. How's it feel? Yeah?
Yep, thumbs up.
The interior's done. Everything's put back in. Everything's set up and nice and scratched up because there ain't no telling what happened there. Thanks y'all for watching. We appreciate it. Have a great day.